These tips that I'm going to share with you today have helped me gotten from a complete beginner at building chatbots to developing chatbots for clients, and have helped me building a community of like-minded bot builders within the course of a year. And these tips are guaranteed to help you too. After watching this video, you are going to be well on your way to signing your first client in 2024. But now, let's listen to my own journey. Like many of you, I started out with zero knowledge of chatbot development. The idea of creating a digital entity capable of conversing like a human seemed very daunting, and I actually started out making chatbots by simple prompts where I didn't even have to structure a flow or create a knowledge base. But my curiosity and my thirst for developing my own chatbots led me to Botpress, a powerful but yet user-friendly platform for building your own chatbots. So how I got started is actually by just forcing myself to build chatbots. And whenever I encountered a problem, I spent hours upon hours trying to find a solution to my problem, and this could include watching countless hours of YouTube videos, joining forums where I could read about other users' experiences, and talking with other like-minded people. So it's safe to say that my learning wasn't all sunshine and rainbows. But here is where I'm going to share with you all a little secret of mine. I present to you all my Botpress knowledge learning curve. So as you all can see, the beginning is very dull and boring, but as time goes on, you're going to get better and better and fast. And here is where I am at today. So I have reached a point where bot building doesn't get much difficult. So what do I mean by this? Well, I believe that building chatbots can only be so difficult. That meaning that there is a max level of complexity to a chatbot, and then when you have reached that level, it's mostly repetition. Of course, you can add a lot of different and difficult automations and stuff to go along with your chatbots, but in case of just solely building chatbots, there is a limit. But how can you actually reach this level of bot building? Well, here are some tips that I'm sure are going to help you out. So start small by building simple chatbots and gradually improve your complexity of your bot builds. And this can be through watching YouTube videos of your favorite creators, but also through my second tip, which is leverage the communities that already exist. So you can join forums such as my own Discord server, which you join through the link in my description. Engage with other developers and share your own challenges and see if there is someone grateful soul, which there almost always is, who's there to help you. And also experiment. So Botpress is extremely flexible, so you can try out different plugins and features to see what works best for you. So if you're interested to start your own chatbot development journey or to improve your skills, make sure that you join my Discord server with the link in my description, which you can find down below. And inside of my Discord server, you can find resources, tutorials, and connect with other people for free. And if you found some value within this video, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also leave a like on this video so other people can also find some valuable insights from this tutorial. But until next time, I wish you all the very, very best. Take care.